So good morning students. Again we are in last lecture we have seen some numerical based on your negative feedback amplifier. Okay. So our next numerical is a feedback amplifier is shown in the circuit. एक डायग्राम दिया हुआ है इसका फीडबैक एम्पलीफायर. ठीक है. So from this diagram, इस diagram से हमको क्या निकालना है? Calculate beta, that is feedback factor. Then gain without feedback, gain with feedback, and voltage, feedback voltage. Fourth one is feedback voltage. ठीक है. हमको ये सर्किट डायग्राम दिया हुआ है. इस सर्किट डायग्राम पर से हमको क्या निकालना है? वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी है. फर्स्ट वन इज फीडबैक फैक्टर बीटा, देन वोल्टेज गेन ए ऑफ एम्पलीफायर विदाउट फीडबैक, देन थर्ड वन इज वोल्टेज गेन ए ऑफ द फीडबैक एम्पलीफायर, and fourth one is feedback voltage of this circuit. So we will see one by one in here. First of all निकालेंगे feedback factor. So how we can find out the value of feedback factor? Beta equals to Pf by P0. So Pf equals to, therefore Pf equals to from this circuit, this one is 1K, this one is 19K. Okay. If we are considering this one is R1 and this one is R2, then we can write down that is 1K divided by 1K plus 19K multiplied by P0. ठीक है. So Pf by V0 equals to 1K, that is 1 by 20. So beta equals to 1 by 20. Okay. This is the value of beta. Then second one क्या निकालना है हमको? ये, that is A means A equals to how much? That is voltage gain A of amplifier of feedback amplifier. voltage gain. ठीक है. voltage gain निकालना है. So A equals to, how we can find out the value of A equals to, A is given by output divided by input. Here output is 2 volt and input is 5 milliampere. Okay. So we can find out the value of A, that is 2 volt divided by 5 milliampere. 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Okay. So calculate it. We will get the value of gain, that is 400 volt. So A equals to 400 volt. Then third value, what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of A, that is without feedback. that is voltage gain without feedback. So it is given by AF is given by A divided by 1 plus A beta. 1 plus A beta. So put the values. A equals to how much? A का वैल्यू क्या है? 400 divided by 1 plus 8. That is 400 and beta is 1 by 20. After calculating, we will get the value of A of equals to how much? Calculate करो और find out करो इस values. So AF equals to AF equals to 19.0476 volt. 19.0476 volt. 19.0476 volt. Okay. Then third one is phi up. That is feedback voltage. Feedback voltage. Third one, no, not third one. This one is the fourth one. That is phi up. Phi up equals to how much? So Vf equals to feedback voltage. Feedback voltage is given by feedback voltage. Vf is given by beta P0. Beta P0. Put the value of beta. Beta is 1 by 20 and P0 is P0 is output voltage. It's not a millivolt, it's milliampere, not it's millivolt. It's millivolt. Multiplied by 2. So it's become calculated. 1 by 10 equals to 0.1. 0.1 volt. Okay. So next numerical is in a voltage amplifier. in a voltage amplifier, in a voltage amplifier, output voltage without feedback, output voltage without feedback, output voltage without negative feedback, without negative feedback is 10 volt, is 10 volt if 25% of output voltage, if 25% of output voltage of output voltage is feedback in series, is feedback in series with the input voltage, with the input voltage, find the feedback voltage, find the feedback voltage find the feedback voltage, also find the value of feedback factor, also find the value of feedback factor. Okay, so how we can solve, कैसे solve करेंगे हम? In a voltage amplifier, output voltage without negative feedback is 10 volt. Okay, and that is what given, Vs is given, Vs is given, that is 10 volt. If 25% of output voltage is feedback in series with the input voltage, find feedback voltage, also find feedback factor. Means what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of Vf. Vf का वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करना है और बीटा का वैल्यू, दैट इज फीडबैक फैक्टर का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, सो Vf इक्वल्स टू, that is 25% of output voltage, means 25% कितना होगा? 0.25. okay, multiplied by Vs, multiplied by Vs. Vs का वैल्यू कितना है? 10. so 0.25 multiplied by 10 equals to 2.5 volt. 2.5 volt. Then feedback factor beta equals to Vf by Vg. Vf by beta is given by Vf by V0. So Vf equals to 2.5 volt. 2.5 volt. And V0 is how much? 10 volt. Okay. Vs is that is nothing but the Vg. It's 10 volt. So it becomes beta. This implies that is beta equals to 0.5.